This is a great moment for Central New York and the Mohawk Valley. We have a fully functional UTM corridor that's being built right here in Central New York. It is a phenomenal asset, something that industry from around the world can take advantage of, literally with capabilities that don't exist anywhere else on the planet.
What you're finding a lot right now is that the technology has outpaced the regulation. And that's really where we're at, is how do we enable drones into the airspace safely?
Being able to safely detect and track drones is going to become the basis of safety cases for flying beyond visual line of sight, which is where this industry really needs to get to transform. If you're going to have package delivery to your doorstep, if you're going to really be doing precision agriculture, you need to be able to reliably detect and track drones.
Doing some safety cases today, and we're going to do package delivery, we're going to do search and rescue, and airport incursion. Why they're important, there's 3 different types, right? The problem set's the same. It's deconflicting the airspace above you.
These radars that we're demonstrating today are optimized to see small unmanned aircraft, small drones. We think we'll have a full picture of everything that's flying, and that would be the first step in getting approval to fly beyond visual line of sight.
People, especially in this region, should be excited about this event and proud of what our region is doing. We've spoken in Japan, Spain, Montreal over the last year. People are asking us to come around the globe to talk about what we're doing here because they see what we're doing here as leading.
Creating a level of efficiency that's never been seen is really exciting. It's a matter of this event showing that there's a lot of interest in moving those technologies forward into real world uses.
The potential for it, I believe, is unlimited. If you are interested in this industry, this is the place to be.
One of the things that's amazed me is just how many applications there are for unmanned systems. You can use them to do cell phones and bridge inspections, which actually take people out of harm's way and allow those inspections to be done even better and have the chance to save people's lives. Every life is going to be impacted by this technology, and we're excited that Central New York's on the cutting edge of that.